Hello everyone. Today we are going to learn line break and comment in HTML. Before watching this video, please subscribe to my channel, like, comment and share my videos so that you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. Now open your VS Code and we have HTML file, CSS file and JavaScript file. So you are going to open HTML template and now we have title, which is document, but we are going to change it and put something there. Learn line break and comment in HTML. Okay, and also we are going to link our CSS or the HTML link. What are we linking? Style.css. Now our CSS is linked up with the HTML. So we are going to open the paragraph here and write the text, which is the element in the paragraph. All right, we have the text in a paragraph. So we are going to break this text so that it can be readable. Let's view this one on our browser. So you are going to open with live server. Open with live server. Okay. Now you can see a long text on our screen. So we are going to break these texts. We are going to break them, the lines. Go back to your VS Code and read what you have right up here. So we can see web development is one of the most powerful skills anyone can learn in modern world. So we are going to break a line here. BR is for line break. Okay, we read again. It allows you to create websites, applications, and online platforms that can reach millions of people across the globe. Also, we are going to break a line here. Okay, every website you visit, from educational platforms to social media networks, was built using web technologies like HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. We are also going to break a line here. Okay, HTML is the foundations of every website. Let's break a line here also. You can break a line wherever you want in your text. That is used to structure the content of a web page. Let's also break a line here. With HTML, you can create headings, paragraphs, images, links, buttons, forms, and many other comment elements. You can also break a line here. Okay. Without HTML, a website would not have structure or meaning. Now let's view this one on our browser and see. Okay, as you can see, web development is one of the most powerful skills anyone can learn in the modern world. Are you seeing? That is now readable. Let's style it. Let the text big a little bit. Now we are going to style it. Before doing that, let's give a class to this paragraph. And what's the class name? Paragraph. Let's say PR. We are going to use PR to style the paragraph. Okay. Because you use class, we're going to say dot PR. Now let's use the font, how the text will look like. Font size 30 pixel. Font family. Let's say Franklin. And let's view this one and see. Let's view it. Okay, there is problem somewhere. Let's check again. Okay. As you can see, web development is one of the most powerful skills anyone can learn in the modern world. These texts are now readable. They are really nice and unique. So this is how you can add line break in your HTML. Go back to your VS Code. Now we are going to learn comment. We are going to learn comment. And what is comment? Comment makes your code to be readable and a developer can understand what you code in your HTML. But the comments are not visible on a browser. You cannot see them on browser. Let me show you something here so that you can understand what I'm trying to say. Okay. Now we open a comment syntax. So in this syntax, whatever you are going to write it is going to appear as a comment. Let's say this is my comment. This is my comment. You are not going to see this one on your browser. Let's check and see. So as you can see, nothing appears, right? Okay. Now under this comment, let's write a text. Let's say heading H1. This is my comment section. Now let's view this one again. You are going to see it on your browser. This is my, let's check something there. Okay. This is my comment section. All right. Now also, we are going to write another comment. This is image section. So you can write your text, paragraph, my image. Okay. Another comment. Let's say this is a link section. As you can see, the color of the comment text are green. So that tells you this is a comment. H2, say my link. So let's view something now on the browser and see. Okay. As you can see, my link, my image, this is my comment section. They are readable on the browser, but the comments are not readable on the browser because they are written as what? Comment. Okay. Let me take you to W3 School also and see something there. Is comment. See, HTML comments are not displayed in the browser, but they can help document your HTML source. You can add comment to your HTML source by using the following syntax. So this tells you this is the comment section. Add comment. This a paragraph. We have done that. So this is how you can work on comment and line break in HTML. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel, share the videos, and comment so that you will be notified when I upload a new video. See you in the next video.